The structure of the building can be reinforced concrete or steel. Bar elements can form the entire building or, for example, the small roof above the entrance, or, for example, the balustrade. We will create a small roof above the entrance. For this, we choose Bar Elements. We choose a way to enter properties and define cross sections. We specify the end and beginning of an element. We disable ortho and we turn on reference. We indicate a reference point, direction, distance, and we confirm. Now we set an endpoint of the element. The first part of the structure has been entered. We change the height of the starting point and the end point and enter the next element. If we have a symmetrical structure, we can turn the element using the option Mirror. The option is on the Start ribbon. We show the reflection line and choose to leave the original elements in the document. We return to the Architecture ribbon and we enter consecutive bar elements, this time horizontal. We define the height and position in the drawing. It was easier to draw an element on the wall, partly to put it in the wall. Now we need to move this element. The roof structure has been defined, so we can take the next element, we switch namely the second balustrade by the balcony window. We enable the option Bar Elements. We will define a cross section. We will enter them at the height of 15 centimeters, 6 elements at the same time, at a distance 0. We choose the reference, we indicate the place, the direction, we give the value, and we approve. Now we will use the ortho option and we enter the length of the elements, confirm, and we indicate the direction of copying the steel elements. We leave the options. It looks as though we have entered one element, but when we switch to a 3D view, we can see the height for each element in turn. Such a balustrade can be saved and used in subsequent projects. But before we save it, we have to move it so it will be in front of the wall. On the System ribbon, there is the Object Explorer. On the left-hand side, click the Layout tab. By clicking on the Create Layout icon, we give a name for our layout to the group of elements that will be inserted at the same time. They can be, for example, a table with chairs, or just such bar elements that form a balustrade, or the construction of a sunshade. We select elements, confirm the selection, and show the insertion point. The balustrade system is ready. We can enter it with next balcony windows. We double-click on the library window and indicate a new location. The inserted element must be rotated. We do the same with other balustrades.